Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your Facebook profile private. So first of all, open your Facebook. Now I'm showing a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. Look at the right side, tap onto profile, click on settings and privacy, click on privacy center, privacy checkup, select your account, click on continue. Now shown here your all information, birthday public to only me, who can see your friend list, only me. Then next, and then next, see your block list if you want to remove block list or not. So that's it. So that's how you can easily make your Facebook profile private. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.